So as you can see, we have the, or
Woo.
not we, hey, shh.
It's hot and I'm tired.
Got the power steering pump on. Like I said, we'll probably, because there's out one gold bolt, so we'll probably paint that or something.
You're a gold bolt.
Shut up. The alternator, we didn't find it, but we had it. And I gotta go find the old one or something, because there's a bracket here for this top bolt that it bolts into, and I don't really know where that is.
Yay, we get to go play Go Fish. Thanks, Mr.
Unnamed former employee. Shh. But I think that's what, the last pulley?
Yeah.
The alternator? And then I'll just throw the water pump pulley on it?
Yeah.
And then are we gonna start putting belts on it at that point, or?
Yeah, we can't do the AC belt.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
Because I
Yeah.
gotta finalize which kit we're putting on for the compressor. And then we can actually start working on getting ready to paint the engine bay and get that all done and prepped and ready. And then whenever we get
Body shop?
approval from Bill, we can send it over to the body shop, get that done,
Mm-hmm.
and then we go get the top done. We're still waiting on the chromer.
Hey look, it's a penis extension.
Anyway, so we got all kinds of stuff going. But yeah, so progress, baby.
Yep.
And I'm back. I know you and Sky are like, damn, he's back. But whatever.
Man, we're gonna actually work.
Shut up.
But yeah, slowly coming together, piece by piece. Are we gonna do the carb?
No, that built in the car.
Okay. Well, I know we did the carb on the Wagyu, so.
Yeah, just that was because we had to build a fuel line.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we have to build a fuel line on this too, but we have the factory one.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see you guys later.